Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the dart closely: the shaft, barrel, flight, and tip. Once you find the damaged part, gather replacements and basic tools: glue, pliers, a 1.5 hex, and a container for screws. Make sure to clean old adhesive and debris so new parts seat properly. You'll want good light and steady support. By beginning with these specific checks and parts, you avoid wasted steps and move straight into the repair with confidence and precision. You now disassemble. Remove the flight, then extract the damaged shaft or screw using pliers or the hex. Once out, trim frayed fibers and sand mating surfaces with 220 to 400 grit for better adhesion. Apply a thin layer of epoxy or medium-strength thread lock, then insert and align the shaft so it sits perfectly straight. Misalignment ruins throws. Once done, rest the dart in a cradle and let the adhesive cure for 10 to 15 minutes before moving on to balancing and reassembly. You finish by reattaching the flight and checking straightness visually, then test by throwing from 3M. If the dart wobbles or drifts, tweak flight size or add about 1G to the barrel to correct balance. Small changes shift trajectory noticeably. Make sure the tip is secure and threads are clean. If problems continue, replace the tip or barrel and recheck alignment. One troubleshooting tip: if persistent wobble occurs, inspect threads and shaft seating. Damaged threads can mimic balance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.